This conference will now be recorded.
अद्य गुरुवासरः अथवा बृहस्पतिवासरः अश्विन पौर्णिमा अधिक अश्विन पौर्णिमा दिनांक 1 अक्टोबर 2020 सहस्रयोगम भार्ग्यादिलेह शंखं चक्रं जलौकान् चारुदौर्भिश्चतुर्भिः सूक्ष्मस्वच्छातिहृद्यांशकपरिविलसन् मौलिमं भोजनेत्रं कालाम्भोदोज्ज्वलाङ्गं कटितटविलसच्चारुपीताम्बराढ्यं वन्दे धन्वन्तरिं तं निखिलगतवनप्रौढदावाग्निलीलम् प्रौढदावाग्निलीलम् ब्रह्मणो हि समारब्धामात्रेयाद्येषु पूजिताम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम् आयुर्वेदरतं वन्दे माधवाख्यं महागुरुम् आयुर्वेदामृतं सर्वं शिष्येभ्यो यः प्रदत्तवान् द्रष्टाज्ञानी दृष्टकर्मा कृतकर्मा तथैव च अध्यापको भिषक्श्रेष्ठो महान् संशोधकस्तथा गुणैरेतैः समुदितैः यत्कार्यं ततनोऽधिसः समृद्ध्यर्थं हि कार्यस्य वयं नु प्रयतामहे सरस्वत्यै नमो यस्याः प्रसादात् पुण्यकर्मभिः बुद्धिदर्पणसङ्क्रान्तं जगदध्यक्षमीक्षते आत्रेयं प्रथमं वन्दे आयुर्वेदजगद्गुरुम् आयुर्वेदामृतं सर्वं गृहीत्वा हि सुरेश्वरात् निवेशादिकेभ्यो यत्प्रेक्षत् मुनिसत्तमः प्रथमं तन्त्रकर्तारम् अग्निवेशं नमाम्यहम्। भाङ्ग्यादिलेह लेह्य भाङ्ग्याश्चतार्धं वासायाः कण्टकार्याश्च पाचये तुलामितं जलं दत्त्वा निक्षाचर चतुष्टयम् जलाढके पचेत्तेन चतुर्थम् अवशेषे भाङ्गी शतार्ध वासायाः कण्टकार्याश्च तुलामितं जलं दत्त्वा निशाचर चतुष्टयम् निशाचर जलाढके पचेत्तेन चतुर्थम् अवशेषयेत् वस्त्रपूतं तत्सर्वं सिताप्रस्थं ततक्षिपे उष्णेऽवतारिते तत्र चूर्णानि इमानि दापयेत् भाङ्गी वक्षाश्वदंष्टा च त्वगेला पत्रजीरकं यवानी चाजमोदा च वांशी कौलुत्थजं रजः कट्फलं पौष्करं शृङ्गी कोलमात्रं क्षिपेत् तथा हन्ति पञ्चविधं कासं श्वासम् एव सुदारुणम् हयक्ष्माणं हन्ति हिक्तांश्च ज्वरं जीर्णं व्यपोहति रोगान् नेतान् निहन्त्याशु बलपुष्ट्यग्निवर्धनम् So this is quite good. कास श्वास यक्ष्मा हिक्का जर जीर्ण ज्वर और बल पुष्टि अग्निवर्धन. Whether this is available in market, Bhangyadi Leha? Does anybody know about it? Mayuri, are you present? Kaushik or Mayuri? This should be good for Kritika. So Bhangi Vasa Kantakari 50 color age. So yeah. Meat of Nishachara bats. Ha ha ha. So Nishachara is back. But Wagul, better to prepare it in China. Not available. Okay. So what is the role of Nishachara? So There is one Vatvagalacha tail that is available. And now I don't know whether this is available now because it was available long back. So actually this is to be added to the Kvatha itself. Prepare Chatur, then take Nishachara, that's 4 number. So this is little strange. Nishachara Chatushtayam, Jala one Adhaka, prepare Chaturthavashishta Kashaya. Afterwards mix these 2 decoctions and add Shakara. Some connection with Vasana Samsthan maybe. Now, surprisingly, this Shwasa and Timira, this is something to be done together. There is a Muktadi Anjana, which is Anjana in Netara Roga, but it is useful for Shwasa as well. So, Nishachara is having a night vision, and that might be something to do. Gubad. It might be owl, it's not bat. Whether Adivasis eat this, it might be. See, nine, why prepare 2 separate decoction? There is no mention about that in Shloka itself, though no separate decoction. This Chatur Nishachara Chatushtayam, this is what they are saying. So, that possess a highly adapted respiratory system to cope up with the demands of powered light. An energetically taxing activity that requires a large continuous throughout thorough output, something like that, of oxygen. In bats, the relative alveolar surface area and pulmonary capillary blood volume are larger than in most other small quadrupedal and mammals. Now, this should be a better option for this COVID-19. And better to prepare it in China and bring here. Don't know whether this will be available in India or somebody can make it. Mayuri anyway have arrived, so this Bhangyadi layer here would be good for Kritika. I just thought of this, so let us think over. Prepare Leyapaka and then add Prakshepa Dravya. Bhangi Vacha Shodamshwa Gokshuratvat Ela Patra Jiraka Yavani Ajamoda Vamshi Vamshalvachana Kulatha Pushkara Shrungi. Right types of Kasa, Shwasa, Yakshma, Hikka, Jnanajvara, Bala, Pushtikaran, Agnivardhaka. So, Bala Pushtikaran, Agnivardhak, these are some special characteristics. Also good for Jnanajvara, also good for Yakshma, Shwasa, and Kasa. So, SDM से भांग्यादी लेह उपलब्ध आहे. Wow, 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 wow. So, this is good. So let us try to get this Bhangyadi Leha. And this might be useful in COVID-19 when the lung capacity goes down. If bats are having better lung capacity, then this may be useful in the breathlessness, low oxygen level, and fibrosis, lung fibrosis that gets developed in people after COVID-19. So let us try Bhangyadi Leha from SDM. Where are the medicines available from SDM in Pune? Does anybody know? Or we may have to contact the SDM site itself or app, download the app and see whether we can order it online. पुनर्नवादि लेह्य पुनर्नवा मृता दारु दशमूल रसाढके अर्धकस्य रसप्रस्थि गुडस्य च तुलां पचे मृता दारु दशमूल रसाढके तत्सिद्धं योषपत्रैला तच्छव्यैः कार्षिकैः पृथक् चूर्णीकृतैः क्षिपेत् शीते बदनः कुडवं लिहेत् लेह पौनर्नवो नाम शोकशूल निषूदनः कासश्वासा रुचिहरो बलवर्णाग्निवत् से पुण्यात बहुतेक मिळत नाही नगरला डिस्ट्रीब्युटर आहे in Pimpri Chinchwad stockist should be there. Just confirm where it is available and try to get it. If it is in Pimpri Chinchwad, yeah, okay, then that is also fine. That is very near. And anyway, courier service is everywhere. So even if it is in Nagar, मनोरकारना का ठेवत नाही. Okay. But let us try to see other distributors who are keeping it. So पुनर्नवा अमृता दारु दशमूल रसाढके आर्द्रकस्य रसप्रस्थे गुडस्य च तुलां पचे तत्सिद्धं वर्षपत्रैला त्वक्चव्ये चव्ये कार्षिकै पृथक्. So this is also a good one. पुनर्नव लेह शोकशूल निषूदना श्वासारुचरो बलवर्णाग्निवर्तना. How Mustadi Anjana is useful, not Mustadi, Muktadi. It is given in Falashruti, Muktadi Anjan. It is in Timira Rogadhyaya, but in the Falashruti there is Shwasa. So there should be some connection between this Netara Roga and Shwasa. And I was particularly thinking about Nishachara, the word. So those have a capacity to move in the night. Actually, it is said that the invention of radar came from these bats. So they have their own system of understanding the distances and what is in between, something like that. And on the basis of that, radar was developed. The technology of radar was developed. So, is it the same part which contains bat? No, no, no. It has nothing to do with bat. Muktadi Anjan is in Timira Rogadhyaya. I have that. I used it for Anjana and I'm using Sukshma Muktadi Anjana. But very rarely I use that. That is true. No Bhangyadi Leha. No, I have not used this. I have heard for the first time as such. So, Bhangyadi Leha contains bat and that might be useful in today's condition of COVID-19, particularly lung fibrosis. Development of lung fibrosis later on is also common. So how we can avoid that we have to think, and if Bhangyadi Leha from SDM is available, then let us start using it. Now I have ordered Bahushal Gura and I may be getting it tomorrow, so we'll start using. Does available Bhangyadi Leha contains that? I don't know. You have to see ingredients of that, and if it is containing bad, then that will be better. If not, then we may have to think about preparation of it, whether it is available. So anyway, so this Punarnavadi layer also seems to be a good part. पुनर्नवा गुरुची दारू देवदारू दशमूल रस कषाय. So this is दशमूल one आडक and आर्द्रक स्वरस is one plus. आर्द्रकस्य रस प्रस्थे गुडस्य च तुलां पचे and गुड तुला तत्सिद्धं व्योषपत्रेण त्वक्चव्यैः कार्षिकैः पृथक्. So this is to be added. चूर्णीकृते क्षिपेत् शीते मदना कुडवम् लिहेत् लेह पौनर्नवो नाम शोफशूल निषूदना. So this should be good even in kidney failure patients. कासश्वासा रुचिहरो बलवर्णाग्निवर्धनः. बलवर्ण and agnivarthana is also Parashruti. Anyway, Vardhamana Godardrika is there in Shrota Chikitsa. And that is good for Kapha Pradhan Dosha. So this might be whether Punarnavadi Leha is available in the market. Does anybody know? Punarnavam Kurute having Rasayana effect. And that is why also it is more important. Shotha Shula Kasa Shwasa Aruchi Bala Varna Karaka and Agnivardhaka. So let us try Punarnavadi Leyam, particularly for Shotha in CKD patients and Agnivardhana, that is also possible. And this Gudardraka combination is there, so that is also fine. Does anybody know this is available, Punarnavadi Leya? Or this can be prepared easily, that's not an issue. Yes, it is available. So, fine. Then we may order Punarnavadi Leyam as well, particularly as Anupana for this CKD patients. And maybe even Pandu, that is also fine, because Pandu and Shotha are treatable with each other's medicines. So we may have to think, and Bala Varna Agni, so these are all taken care. So Punarnavadi Lehyam, which company? Whoever you know, ABS or SK Pharmacy in product Punarnavadi Lehyam. SK Pharmacy. Okay. Which is SK Pharmacy? Anyway, they should be again from Kerala. So let us try. There is a new pharmacy, Shri Krishna Pharmacy, SKP. Okay. I think there can be a mutual understanding between companies and Vaidyas. Somebody is seriously looking at Sahasra Yogam and thinking of practical utility of these dravyas in some other perspective. Now, Niri tablet and Niri syrup is there available easily. And people are using it for CKD. But these are other yogas which can be Muttakattu P.O. Venganur Tiruvananthapuram. So Trivandrum. That is fine. So I think because the company will also get benefited, they can spread this for this particular reason, and then more people can start using it. That will be better. Anyway, we have to improve the utility for today's diseases, today's problems, and ultimately it's going to be the pharmacy which is going to support us. That is more important for us. Unfortunately, today's pharmacies are more dependent on integrated practitioners and not on Ayurvedic practitioners as such. And Ayurvedic practitioners are not looking for these kinds of textual or proprietary. Textual not from Charak Sushruta Bhagavata, but some other texts like Sahasra Yoga, or this might be in Sharanga, etc. as well. निरोग या ऍपवर औषधाचे नाव टाकले की ते कोणत्या कंपनीचे अवेलेबल आहे ते कळते विथ रेट्स. It is fine. Niroga Street, this is one this web WhatsApp group, and there are so many things coming up on the Niroga Street. I don't know how many of you have seen it. I have just seen it once or twice, but impressive. So is it associated with that? Yeah, or this is just a separate thing, Niro, NIROG. Yes, sir, it is same. Okay, so I think we need to think about this. I was just thinking of Ayur Yoga, separate TV channel. Of course, this is very big task and it's not so easy. But we can start internet radio with Ayur Yoga, and that should be fine. And my lectures on this yoga sutra might be put on that. So don't reply to me privately or post me to privately, put it for all. Highly competent respiratory system of bat may have its advantage as well as disadvantage also, because highly infective species may be surviving without problem in bat's respiratory system. But what if they are consumed or come in contact with human? Utmost care has to be taken while preparing food material from this. Once it is cooked, it won't be harmful for us. But while it is being cooked or something like that, this may contain varieties of organisms like what we are seeing about this COVID-19, and that can be dangerous. That there is no doubt. In China, what they started bringing them out from the caves and keeping them open in the market for selling purposes, and that might have spread, or this is a cultivated virus. That is another important aspect that we are not aware about that. So highly infective species may be surviving in bats respiratory system. Now this is again a very different kind of thing. This might be harmful, this might be useful, both the way it is possible. विंशतिविधा कृमयः भवन्ति अन्यत्र सहजेभ्यः. There are sahaja krumis in the gut of every living being or something like that. And the role of antibiotic is to kill these microbes, and it kills even the helpful microbes. And that is why antibiotics have side effects. The flora, intestinal flora is gone, or something like that. And it destroys the helpful microbes as well. So this might be possible that this would be working something like antibiotic for us in our system. There was a debate on whether leech application causes spread of HIV. And then it was understood that leech contains a virus, which is a very strong virus, and it doesn't allow any other microorganism to grow within leech. So if we don't apply leech after application to one person up to 7 days, then this is the window period in which the virus kills whatever infection the leech has. So if we follow this window period, then leech won't spread any disease. If we don't follow, then there are chances that it can spread or something like that. They also give door delivery with very competitive prices. So that is the thing. So this particular of virus, now if microbiology comes to know about this virus, they will start producing leeches, try to separate out that virus, grow it separately, and then use it as antibiotic. This might be possible, and this is actually not needed. This is not expected to happen. But the thought process of the scientist is like this only. They want to derive something very quicker, very easy, and to be put into the market, and commercialization of all that. So this particular virus of this leech can be helpful for us for preventing spread of the diseases. And when we talk about these mosquitoes spreading dengue or chikungunya or something like that, malaria like kind of thing, what might be done to avoid the spread through mosquitoes, which is one of the thought processes that poisoning the female mosquito and not allowing to host the parasites, malarial parasites or dengue or something like that. This was one of the way thought. And to control the population of mosquitoes also this was thought. So like Vishakanya or something like that. It's very difficult to find this mosquito, then inject the female mosquito with the poison with a dose which it can tolerate but will be fatal while mating to the male partner or something like that. But people have done this. This is very strange. But like Vishakanya, they have tried poisonous female mosquitoes for this. So anyway, how one can get a clue from what kind of knowledge? This is yet another important aspects, and how this has to be avoided. That is another important aspect. In China, I am not aware about the fertile land to grow food material. And China is dependent mostly on non-vegetarian diet. And they have everything, dog, cat, bat, anything they eat, something like cockroaches and everything, something like that. I heard a strange experience on Australian airport. A Chinese person carrying a bottle of pickle of cockroaches was held up. And he said this is not allowed. So he said, can I eat it? Custom officer said, yes, you can. So he ate that whole pickle in front of the custom officer. and then went into Australia. So they eat anything, that is the thing. And that is why they start searching animals which are available elsewhere, not really grown, like chicken or something like that. And then this has become a big issue as such. So anyway, द्राक्षाप्रस्थं कणाप्रस्थं शर्करार्धतुलां तथा विफलं बदुकं शुण्ठीं त्वक्षीरीं च विचूर्णितं धात्रीफलरसद्रोणे क्षिप्त्वा तल्देहोत्कचेत् शीतान् मधुप्रस्थयुतान् लीयात् पाणितलं तथा हलीमकं पाण्डुरवं कामलां च नियच्छ. This is something different. Draksha, Kana, Sharkara, Datula, Madhuka, Shunti, Tvakshiri. So that way simple part. Dhatri Phala Rasa Drone. So Amalaki Swarasa, this is most important. Shitan Madhu Prastayutan Lihat Panitalan Tataha. Halimakam Panduragam Kamalanchaniyacha. So this is Rasayana because Kana is there, then Dhatri Phala Rasa is there. So we may have to think about this autoimmune hepatitis. Now this is becoming common, autoimmune hepatitis. And the simple way they say is just go for liver transplant. So it's better to use this part here, Drakshadileya. Is this available, Drakshadileya? Yes. Drakshadileya is also available, but the Drakshadileya. So maybe we have to think of. So one of the advantages of reading Sahasra Yoga is availability of medicines. Vagbhata. This is Vagbhata part. Okay. So that is fine. So and Kamala Pandu. So let us try to use this. Jerakadi Leihya. Muttu Kulampu. Jerakam Modakam Dhanyam Ashwagandham Vilalari. Kalanusari Murukum. Tukkinish Vinishkam Magadi Chaiva Yashti Randar Nishkavum Akshatam Randu Nishkamsha Kuttinan Naya Podichatil Karji Rakam Veluttilli Kundurushka Chakottavum Maya Kum Manchiyum Chukum Chakol Chakacholam Tarshkapachayum गोरोचनमि तेल्लामे अर्धनिष्कं पेडिच्चतु मुंपिल्ले पोडियुम पुट्टि वस्त्रशोधनयत् तथ किरिञ्जलवुं नारीं पुलप्पालु पंचसारियुं. There is no point in reading this. Jiraka Modaka is Ajamoda. Dhanyaka, Ashwagandha, Vedanta, Medika, Maricha, Nishka each, one Nishka each, Magati, Don Nishka, Yashti, Adich Nishka, Kutaja, Don Nishka, Tender coconut water, 30 tola, breast milk, 30 tola, Sita Sharkara, 30 tola. Prepare Leya Paka and then add Prakshepa Dravya. So this might be useful for Stanya Shodhana and Stanya Janana. Is Jirakadi available? Available. Avleha. Kala Jira Lashun. Kundurushka Kottam Kushta Mayakku Mayakan Mayapar Manchi. Getamonsi. Chukkum Shunti. Kacholam. Tarksha Pacha. Borocharam. Prepare lay with the above drugs taken while preparing lay, add egg white of 4 eggs. Is to be allowed to cool well and then add madhu and evanescence internally in a dose of amalaki phala. Rajayakshma Svarabhanga Jeernajwara Vrana Shotha Jwara Parshva Vedana Atisara Kapha Daurganya Nashaka. So Padashruti is quite different. Basically seems to be medicine for Rajayakshma. And Stri Stanya Nalikera Jala. So does anybody know that this is available? Pached Vyagri Tulang Shunnam Vahepam Adhake Stitek Shiket Pute to Sainchurnia Bro Vyosha Rasna Mrutagnikan Shungi Bhangi Ghanagranthi Dhanvayasan Palardakan Sapisha Shodasha Palam Chatvari Vishat Palani Cha Matsandikaya Shuddhaya Punascha Tadadishre Darvilepini Shite Cha Dvipurum Chipe Pippalinan Tugakshirya Makshikasya Navasya Cha Leho Yang Gulma Rudroga Shvasakasari. So Kantakari alone what is to be prepared? Sanchurna Vyosha Rasna Amruta Agnika Chungi Bhangi Ghana Granthi Dhanvayasa Palardaka Sarpisha Shodashapalam Chatvarimshat Palanitya Matsindikaya Shuddhaya Purashtu. So Gurta and Sharkara and then Pipali Tugakshiri Makshika Ye. This is to be added as Prakshepa. Gulma Rudroga Durnama Shvasakasaji. So this is Vyosha Trikatu Rasna Amruta Guruchi Agni Chitraka Shrundi Karkata Shrundi. Bharangi Ghana Musta Dhanvayasa Sarpi Prakshepa Dravya Gulma Rudroga Arsha Shvasakas. This also doesn't seem to be available. So Jirakati Avaleha and his both are not. Anyway, Punarnavadi Avaleha is available, that is fine, and Bhangyadi particularly, that might be fine. Dashamula Haritaki Leya. Dashamula Kashayasya Kamse Kathashatam Kache. Datva Gudatulan Tasmin Lehe Adyad Vichurnitam. Trijatakam Trikatikam Palancha Yavashukajam. Prastardhancha Himek Shaudrat Tannihantyupayojitam. Pravruddha Shofa Jvargulma Meha Karshamvatam Nakarapittam. Vaivarne Mutra Nirashukra Dosha Shvasa Ruchikliha Garodara. But we get Panchajiraka Rasayana by Malabar Pharma, which is good for Sutika or Stanya Parvartana. It is from Vaishya Ratnavati. This is Kamsaharitaki, yeah, that is true. So Kamsaharitaki is available. And Parashruti is white. Panchajiraka Avaleha Rasayana, Panchajiraka Rasayana. So this might be tried संसुतिकावस्था मूत्र अनिल शुक्र दोष श्वास अरुचि पीह गरोदरंच प्रवृत्त शोफ ज्वर गुल्म मेह कार्श आमवात अम्लक रक्तपित्त. So Falashruti is quite wide. लेहेद अद्यात विचूर्णितम. Okay. So Kaunsaharithaki is available, I suppose. Dashamula Toya prepare Chaturthavashishta Kashaya. While preparing Kashaya, put Pathya 100 numbers in the decoction, remove them and then add Buddha. Yes. Prepare Leya Paka and then add Prakshepa. But then Haritaki should be put into that avleha when it is cooked. Guda, Prakshepa Dravya, Tijataka, etc. Afterwards, add the above boiled Haritaki 100 numbers. Prepare a layer with about allowed to cool well and then add honey. Shofa, Jwara, Gulma, Meha, Karsha, Amavata, Amla Pitta, Rakta Pitta, Vaivarnya, Mutra, Anila, Shukra, Dosha. Shvasa, Aruchi, Pliha, Garavisha. So I heard of a case yesterday, 2-month baby, gaining more weight, checked for thyroid and found to be hyperthyroidism, hypothyroidism. And the doctor is suggesting thyroid treatment for a 2-month baby. So this is quite strange. She's on breast milk, and truly speaking, there is Kapajastanya Dushti. So I will be giving medicine to the mother as well. And this Panchajiraka Rasayana might be of help in this scenario. Tatva Udutulam Tasmin that Dehe Datyat Vichurnitam. But what to do with Haritaki? Whether the Haritaki is to be added later or during the laser. It seems that this is to be added after Lehe Dadyat. But won't there be any problem of it not getting spoiled? At least the version of Haritaki to be done in ghee. And like Chawanprash, we may think of removing the outer cover of Haritaki and the Vichurnita, Lehe Dadyat Vichurnita. That might be possible to put that and then prepare Lehe. There is one Lehe in which Haritaki is added separately. and two haritaki to be eaten at a time along with the available. That is the part. I don't remember the part exactly. Uh, where did I read it? Kamsa haritaki is available in this form. The haritaki, four haritaki is there in the leha, or it is a mixed with the leha. Does anybody know? Mm, mm, mm. Mix with the leha. So what I'm saying, what is the uh, they might be doing it the same way. Gulma Rudroga, Arsha and Shmasakasa. May go to the part. Vyaganadi Leha and then Dashamula Ridiki Leha. प्रवृद्ध शोपज्वरमूलममेह कार्षामवातां विकरत्वपित्तम्. So Mutra Anila Shukra Dosha. So this is attracting. I'm looking for all pathas which are good for Shukra Dosha. So maybe we try to use this. The पंचजीरक रसायन एक लिहून ठेवा मागवायचं. ABP is having from Ashtanga Hridaya reference. Okay. And which adhyaya at Ashtanga Hridaya? It's difficult to judge from here whether it is, but there is no Udara. There is Udara. Is it in Udara Adhikar? Which Adhikar from Ashtanga Hridaya? Shoka Chikitsa. So this also can be a good thing for CKD. Anyway, the Punarnavadi Leyam and the Shamula Haritaki Leya or Kamsa Haritaki. Sevin Charaka. Okay. So let us try to use this. That will be better. Is everybody taking notes of this? And can we prepare a table on Ayurvedic indications, maybe modern indications, and particular medicine? Now people have tried for this Gunesh Shastri's books for this. So preparing an index from disease point of view, and in which disease, which medicine is useful, like that. So in the same manner, now there are many acts available from the companies which would say about the medicine and then its indications. But we have to gather the indications of all companies and try to find out which medicine from which pharmacy, who is distributor or something like that. So that will be better. I would compliment request. Search for switched skin. Home Ayurveda, Ayurvedic formulations, Lehium available. Avleha. Lehium Avleha, Panchajiraka Gudam, Panchajiraka Paka. Dr. Jagdev Singh, August 15. 22 minutes read. Panchajiraka Gudam, Panchajiraka Paka. Also known as Panchajiraka Paka is an Ayurvedic medicine used for postpartum diseases, women's health problem, fevers, infections, disease, cough, asthma, anemia, debility, and vata diseases. It is mainly recommended for women after delivery for quick restoration of the health and reducing the postpartum debility and fatigue. Ingredients: jeeraka, cumin, nigella sattva, sativa, so methi, carom seeds, dhania, so shunthi, pipali, maricha, peppermint, vidarikanda, amla, kushtha, so Panchajiraka Rasayana, Panchajiraka Pachana, or something like that, from Malabar Ayurveda. So Panchajiraka Gudam, Panchajiraka Pak. Okay. So we may have to think about this. Panchajiraka Gudam is same as Panchajiraka Rasayana. It is very wide use, very wide Palashruti. Yeah, so Panchajiraka Guda, that might be useful. Out of topic पण हायपरप्रोलॅक्टिनिमिया मध्ये उत्पन्न अमेनोरिया मध्ये कसे विचार करा. We have to see in Ayurvedic perspective, that will be better. Diabetic complication मध्ये बऱ्याच अवस्थेमध्ये वापरता येईल असं वाटतं कंसारी. Yeah. So hyperprolactinemia, something to do with rasabha srotas as such, rasadhatu. And even Raja is the upadhatu of rasa. So the bifurcation of rasa is not proper. That is the thing. So rasa panchaka is prima facie a good medicine, but we may have to reduce shukra, this stanyavardhana, and go for rajovardhana, like this narim visheshat tailesh pittalesh samupachare, like that. And then if there is rajovriddhi, then this may be taken care. So Panchajiraka Guda, we may try to think of again. And there is one Avleha Stanyavardhaka. Ganesh uses it. I also used it. Stanya Janan or Stanya Vardhaka, I don't remember. But it is available. So otherwise we don't go beyond Shatavari for Stanya Janan. And everybody is using Shatavari. And if there are no results with Shatavari, then we may have to think. So Jirakadhyarishta is also a better option. And this Padmakadigana, Stanyakara Nantirena Pittam Prina Jivana Brohana Vrishya, Hasya Guruchi and Yashti Madhu are there in Padmakadigana. And I don't know Stanya Janana Rasayana. Okay. Don't put your things in private, put it public. I've been telling you many times that don't put it in private. Panchajiraka Gunam available of ABS, Sahasrayagam Deya Prakaranam. Maybe this same. Okay. So let us try this Panchajiraka Gunam. And we should try to revive the whole process of pregnancy and postpartum. Sutika Paricharya, etc. And there is a vast scope for that. So anyway, we are getting cases of infertility, which we have to treat. And when they deliver a baby, then of course we are attached to that family. So the lady which I told also came from infertility first. Then with our treatment, she conceived, delivered a baby, and now this is a problem. She didn't tell me during pregnancy. After delivery, she approached me. So this is a bit difficult. But anyway, generally they continue during pregnancy as well. And then that is a better choice to do. So anyway, this Punarnavadileya, Bharnyadileya, Dashnausa Haritaki or Dashamula Haritaki and Panchajiraka Guda. These are 4 medicines that can be used. I think Malabar part is proprietary one of Panchajiraka Rasayana. So let us try to see Panchajiraka Guda. That will be better. Even that we can see proprietary Panchajiraka Rasayana. And let us try to see the part. So I think it's better to emphasize more on this. And as I said, if we can prepare a database, an app, maybe. As what there he said that there is one website or there is one app, and you put any name and you will get information about which pharmacy prepares it, availability, etc. So who posted that? I don't remember. Maybe you can post it on GSPC. And I'm myself not looking into WhatsApp. That's my drawback. But can you put it once again? Nirog app. Yeah. Who is M anyway? I'm not understanding by the word M. Can you just specify your name? Who is M? No, he's not Manoj Firodia. Manoj Firodia is available by the name Manoj Firodia himself. So M will you put your name? So Nirog, that we try to see that app, that will be better for availability of any drug available like that. So anyway, we can conclude today, and there are 2-3 pathas of Panchajiraka Gudam in Vaishya Ratnavali. So we have to see which patha is in use. That might be better. So let us conclude today and continue tomorrow. Ayurveda Prakando Nigadita Ihahi शल्यतन्त्रप्रधानः शिष्येभ्यः शाश्वतोऽयं निखिलजनकृपा व्याप्तचित्तेन येन आयुर्वेदस्य वाञ्छन् विनरति भुवने तां च सुष्ठु प्रतिष्ठां श्रेष्ठं धन्वन्तरिं तं प्रणमति च सदा वैद्यवर्गो हि नूनं वैद्यवर्गो हि नूनम् विरम्यते व्याख्यानव्यापारात् श्वः पुनरपि मिलिष्यामः। So nobody is responding. M, who is M?